Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the multiple ratios black frame mockup in Photoshop. We're going to be using this handy layers panel right here. So if you don't see the layers panel, click on window and then click on layers to bring it up. And then you just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the layer with the aspect ratio you want. So let's say you want the 1:1 square ratio. We'll just click the eye icon next to this A4 layer to turn it off, and then we'll click the box next to the 1:1 ratio square layout to turn that layer group on, and then we'll click the arrow next to the 1:1 ratio square layer group to expand that, and then you'll see our smart object. So you just want to double click this thumbnail icon in the design-canvas layer, and that's going to open up our smart object. And we can just copy and paste our design by going to File, Open, and then find the design. And then go to Select All, then Edit, Copy. Click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. And it might not be quite the size you want right off the bat, so if that happens, then just go to Edit, Free Transform, and I'm just going to press Control- to zoom out a little. If you're on a Mac, it's Command-, and then I just drag any of the click and drag any of the four corners to resize it. In newer versions of Photoshop, you can just click and drag the corners and it'll stay proportional. In older versions, you used to have to hold down the Shift key. So if you see it getting distorted, just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you were doing, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And once you've got it resized the way you want, you can just go to File, Save, to save the smart object. And then you just click the X to close the smart object, and then close the original graphics. And you'll see it put the art in the frame just like that for us. You've got lots of options here. You can do a ton of mock-ups of all sorts of different aspect ratios. And you also have 6 different backgrounds. If you want to change the background, just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer, and that'll expand it. And then you can just click the eye icons on and off to toggle through the different background layers. And that's all there is to adding your design to the black frame mockup bundle in Photoshop. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.